Hello, Cornerstone Acres people. This is Vincent again from Cornerstone Acres. Today our today topic is also another one that is rarely touched on, but it is very crucial for you to understand. And that is something called business continuity plan in poultry farming. Some of these things I'm trying to relate to them. I've been in corporate world and I've seen them the way they plan their things. So I'm trying to connect some of those experiences and the lessons that I've learned in the corporate world and bringing them in the simplest way that can be understood by farmers, and you can implement some of these measures. So our today's topic is applying a business continuity plan in poultry farming, and we are going to have an example on how you can do it. To start off, is poultry farming is a vital sector in the agriculture industry, providing consistent source of eggs and poultry meat to meet the demands of a growing global population. However, like any other business, poultry farmers are susceptible to various risks and disruptions that can severely impact their operations. To mitigate this risk and ensure the sustainability of the business, it's essential to have a robust business continuity plan in place. So in this video, we'll explore the importance of having a business continuity plan in poultry farming and delve into a real life case study to illustrate its application. We'll give an example on how it can be applied. So what's the importance of a business continuity plan in poultry farming? A business continuity plan is a comprehensive strategy that outlines how a business will continue its critical operations in the face of unexpected disruptions, such as natural disaster, diseases, outbreaks, supply chain disruptions, and economic downturns. In the context of poultry farming, a well-designed business continuity plan can help farmers safeguard their flocks, maintain product quality, and as well sustain their livelihoods during challenging times. So what are the key benefits of a business continuity plan in the context of poultry farming? First benefit is risk mitigation. A business continuity plan identifies a potential risk and vulnerabilities, allowing farmers to take proactive measures to reduce their impact. Another benefit is flock health and welfare. Poultry farmers prioritize their health and welfare of their birds. A business continuity plan ensures that essential care and feeding continue even during disruptions. Another benefit of this business continuity plan is a continuity of operations. By detailing operational procedures and contingencies, a business continuity plan ensures that essential tasks such as feeding, watering, and egg collections remain uninterrupted. Another benefit is supply chain resilience. Poultry farms rely on a network of suppliers for feed, medications, and equipment. A business continuity plan helps identify alternative suppliers and logistics strategies to maintain the supply chain. Another benefit of a business continuity plan is financial stability. A business continuity plan includes financial contingencies to manage cash flow during disruptions, helping the business stay afloat. Our last benefit, but last but not least, is regulatory compliance. Compliance with local and national regulation is crucial. So, business continuity plan outlines measures to remain compliant even in challenging circumstances. Our next step is now we are going to do a case study on how this is how we are going to apply a business continuity plan in a poultry farm. And we are going to use this farm profile of Mr. Smith family poultry farm. That is the name of the farm that we are going to use as an example. So Smith family poultry farm, a medium-sized family-owned poultry farm located in Nairobi, Kenya, specializes in egg production. They house approximately 10,000 laying hens and supply eggs to local markets and retailers. Some of the challenges faced in the spring or in the winter or in the summer of 2020, the Smith family poultry farm encountered a major challenge. There was the outbreak of a highly contagious avian influenza strain in their region. This outbreak threatened not only birds' health but also their entire business operations. So with this scenario, how do we apply a business continuity plan? How does it work with such a scenario? When it comes to risk assessment and prevention, the Smith family had a business continuity plan in place, which helped them assess the potential risk associated with the avian influenza. They implemented a strict biosecurity measures, limiting access to their farm and monitoring bird health regularly. So this proactive approach reduced the risk of infection. When it came to contingency planning for disease outbreak, in the event of an outbreak, the Smith family business continuity plan had provisions for isolating and culling infected birds promptly. They also established a relationship with a local vet clinic to ensure immediate access to professional advice and support. In their business continuity plan, there was the provision of supply chain diversification. So recognizing the possibility of disruption in their supply chain, the Smith had identified alternative suppliers for feed and medication. This helped them secure essential resources even when their primary suppliers faced shortages due to the outbreak. There was a provision for financial resilience in their business contingency plan. The Smiths, this is the Smiths poultry farm. The Smiths poultry farm had set aside an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses and maintain their cash flow during this crisis. This financial cushion allowed them to continue operations while implementing disease control measures. They also had in their business contingency plan a communication plan. This is a key aspect of their business continuity plan was communication plan. So the Smiths promptly informed their customers and partners about the situation in their farm, the measures they were taking, and the safety of the products. This transparent communication helped maintain trust and customer loyalty. So what was the outcome due to this business continuity plan? Thanks to their well-prepared business continuity plan, the Smith family poultry farm successfully managed the avian influenza outbreak. While they did incur losses due to culling infected birds and reduced eggs production, their business remained viable. Most importantly, their dedication to animal welfare and responsible farming practices helped them regain customer confidence once the crisis passed. So to summarize, in summary, the case study of the Smith family poultry farm underscores the importance of having a well thought out business continuity plan in place for poultry farming operations. Whether it's a disease outbreak, a natural disaster, or any other unexpected event, a business continuity plan helps farmers navigate challenges while safeguarding their livelihoods, the health of the birds, and the continuity of the operations. So, poultry farmers should take a proactive step or steps to develop, implement, and regularly update their business continuity plan in order to ensure resilience and sustainability in an ever-changing agriculture landscape, guys. Thank you very much for your time. That was our topic. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe. Share our content in different social medias, and you will be blessed. Thank you, guys. Until next time, bye bye.